Hi, this video is recording a challenge fight in Unity in which we are asked to create a game naming Waterford. The UI must have clickables with 3 different options: medium, easy, medium and hard, with 3 different gameplays. These 3 vary with the random generation of the 4 objects and this title they are in this blocks. Whenever a 4 object appears, we have to click this 4 object and the object should destroy. The destroyed object, as soon as the object destroyed, the score gets calculated and displayed here. There will be some bad objects like skull. If we click the skull, the score gets reduced by some points. That's how the gameplay should work. And let's just now run the video and see how the output will be. I'm selecting easy. Destroyed, point 10. I didn't touch the skull. Food, points of 15. I missed the pizza over here, so the game is over. Now again. Okay, let me just click the skull once. I have clicked the skull, so the points got reduced. 50. I missed the food object. Let's go to hard and see. The game over. And the medium, the pace the object is generated varies with these tables here: easy, medium and hard. In easy, the pace time will be less, and medium it will be moderate, and in hard it generates continuously. That's all for the video. Thank you.